You were just headed home. You were alert. You wore your seatbelt. You even put your phone away. You followed every rule. But were you prepared? When you and other vehicles are moving 60+ miles an hour, when you're sitting in your car, things happen. When they do, be prepared with SABRE's Safe Escape, the only 3-in-1 auto safety tool of its kind, featuring a belt cutter to rip through malfunctioning seatbelts in seconds, a window breaker with steel tip to puncture glass for a quick escape when time matters most, and industry-leading maximum strength pepper gel with 25 bursts to keep unwanted guests out. So whether you're waiting in your car or you're just headed home, make sure to keep the Safe Escape within arm's reach. SABRE's Safe Escape Auto Tool will provide peace of mind for you and your family, no matter where the road may take you. Safe is smart.